Hi guys, I'm going to show you a very cool exercise for leg strength, lunges. This is very good for all sports and for all just overall fitness conditioning. Anna is using the foot strap and in this case the yellow disc with the moderate resistance on the stops. So this yellow disc will give you more frequent stops so that you do the isometric resistance, the isometric contractions. Okay, the unit is held right below the chin against your chest, and you're gonna start, go ahead, drop the leg in the back, drop the knee in the rear leg to the floor, keep your posture straight, again, engage your core, engage your abs when you're holding, when you're coming up, pushing against the resistance. Yeah, if you don't engage the core and your abs, you're gonna become really wobbly, really unstable. So this stop and go is actually helping you to stay on timing, on the right timing, and then to engage the core. Okay, great. Very good, very effective. Okay, let's say you've done 10 reps. I'm gonna change. Just lower it down to the ground and switch your feet. Gonna take that off. Same, sit, grab it, pull up to your right below the chin, hold it against your chest, and off you go, ready for the next step. Okay, shoulders back, core engaged. Great. That's good. Alright, thank you guys.